dear friends. My name is Kundan Kumar Singh and today I am going to deliver a beautiful lecture on mathematics dealing with the topic number system. In this we have the subheading, that is basic terminology. So in today's class we are going to see these two terminology. What is that? Prime number and composite number. So in order to understand these two terminology, you require the prerequisite knowledge. What is that? Table from 1 to 20. You need to memorize it. Okay? When I mean table, I am talking about multiplication table from 1 to 20. You need to memorize it. After that, you must be able to find the factors of the given number. So this second point, for this you will find the link in the description. You can watch that video first and after that you can come to this topic so that you can understand them clearly. So I am erasing this and proceeding with prime number. Alright, what is prime number? So I have written the definition over here, that is number having only two factors. Those numbers which are having only two factors are considered as prime number. What are those two factors? That can be 1 and the number itself. For example, I am taking over here 7. So this is a given number and I would like to test whether it is a prime or not. So in order to test it, what you will do? You will read the table from 1 to 7. Okay? So you have to see within this range, this is 1 to 7. Within this range, this 7 is occurring or not. So in the table, the range is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the range. I have extended this 1 to 7. I have extended in this way. So when I have extended this 1 to 7, I have to see whether in the table of 1 this 7 is occurring or not. Yes, in the table of 1 this 7 will occur. How many times? 7 times. That means 1 is the factor of 7. So in the table of 2 this 7 will occur? No. That means this 2 is discarded. In the table of 3 this 7 will occur? No. That means this is also discarded. This 4 will be discarded, 5 will be discarded, 6 will be discarded. Why? Because in these tables this 7 is not going to occur. That's why we have discarded. So in the table of 7 this 7 will occur. How many times? 1 time. That means 7 is also the factor of this 7. So what result we have obtained over here? 1 and 7. That means we are fulfilling this condition. What is that condition? Number having only two factors. What are those two factors? 1 and the number itself. So here also see, this is the given number, and for this given number we obtain the factors as 1 and the number itself. If we are getting 1 and the number itself, then we can consider that this given number is a prime number. So 7 is concluded as a prime number. Okay, now we will take another example. I am taking one number 10. Okay, this is the given number and I would like to test whether this 10 is a prime number or not. So what shall I do? I will read the table from 1 to 10. The range will be decided from 1 to 10. So we have to extend this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. We have written this range in the extended form. What is that? From 1 to 10 we have written over here. And now in the table of 1 we have to see whether 10 is occurring or not. Yes, in the table of 1 this 10 will occur. That means this 1 is the factor of 10. In this table of 2 we have to see this 10 is occurring or not. Yes, 5 times. That means this 2 is also the factor. In the table of 3, will this 10 occur? No. That means 3 is discarded. In the table of 4, this 10 will not occur. That's why we will discard it. In the table of 5, 2 times. That means this 5 is taken, accepted that it is a factor of 10. So in the table of 6, 10 will not occur. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. In the table of 10, 10 will occur 1 time. That means 10 is also the factor of 10. So now you have to check what are the factors 1, 2, 5 and 10. These many factors we have got. Is this satisfying this condition? No. The condition is that any number having only 2 factors, but here we are getting for this number 10, we are getting 4 factors. Here it is telling that it should have only 1 and the number itself. That means it should be 1 and the number itself. But here we are getting as 4 factors. It should be only 2 factors. That's why this 10 is not a prime number. Okay? For suppose if you are getting a bigger number and you are asked to trace it out whether it is a prime or not, how can you do? First of all, you must be familiar with the table, multiplication table from 1 to 20. Okay. After getting familiar, you take one bigger number. That is, I am taking. For suppose I am taking one bigger number as 15. Okay. I am taking one bigger number as 15 and I want to know whether this 15 is a prime or not. So how can I test? First of all, you have to divide this 15 by 2. Will this 15 be divided by 2? Yes, it will get as 7.5. Okay, you try to divide it here. 15 2 times 2 sevens are 14. So 1 is the remainder point, then 0 2 5s are. So here, yes, we are getting 7.5 the result. Okay, so this 7.5 we will consider only 7. Okay, here. So less than 7 we have to find out all the prime numbers. So we know that prime numbers start from 2. If you don't know, you note it down that prime number always begin from 2. Okay, so 2, 3. I'm writing all the numbers which are less than 7. 2, 3. Of course, 1 is also less than 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the numbers which are less than 7. But within this number, you have to find out the prime number. So this 2 is a prime number, this 3 is a prime number, and this 5 is a prime number. Okay? So we got 2, 3 and 5 as a prime number. Okay? So we have to test it whether in any of these numbers this 15 is occurring or not. If it is occurring, then we can conclude that this 15 is not a prime number. Listen carefully what I said. If any of these number is dividing this 15, then we can conclude this 15 is not a prime number. Okay. In the table of 2, this 15 will not occur. In the table of 3, yes, it will occur 5 times. That means this 15 is not a prime number. So what is it? We will see. Just wait, hold on. We are going to see what is it. I am erasing this. Alright. Now we are going to deal with composite number. So what is composite number? Number having more than 2 factors. Number having more than 2 factors are considered as composite number. So example I am taking over here. Or suppose I take the number 4. Now this 4 is a composite number, I am telling. So how can you justify whether this 4 is a composite number or not? So in order to justify that, you have to find out all the factors of 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. Okay. So there is no other factors which will divide this 4. Okay. So here you see in the statement we have written number having more than 2 factors. So this is the number and it is having more than 2 factors. Here it is 3 factors. That means the condition is fulfilled. That's why this 4 is considered as a composite number. Now take another example. For suppose I'm raising this. Let's take 12. Okay, this is a number and we would like to test. We would like to justify whether this 12 is a composite number or not. Yes, this 12 is a composite number, but how can I say that? So first of all, you have to find all the factors of 12. So how you will find the factors? You have to, first of all, you have to fix all the ranges from where to where you have to read the table. From 1 to 12, you have to read the table and you have to find out all the factors. Okay, so the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are the range. Within this range, you have to see this 12 is occurring or not. So in the table of 1, this 12 will occur. That means 1 is the factor of 12. In the table of 2, this 12 will occur. So 2 is also the factor. In the table of 3, this 12 will occur. So 3 is also the factor. In the table of 4, this 12 will occur. So 4 is also the factor. In the table of 5, this will not occur. This will not occur. In the table of 6, it will occur. 6. In the table of 6, this 12 will occur. In the table of 7, it will not occur. In the table of 8, not occur, not occur, not occur, not occur. In the table of 12, it will occur. So here we got the factors of 12 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors we have obtained over here. 6 number of factors we have obtained for this number 12. But according to the statement, if we try to check number having more than 2 factors, yes, it is satisfying. For this number, we got more than 2 factors. Of course, we have 6 factors. That means it is more than 2 factors. If it is more than 2 factors, then we can conclude the given number 12 is the composite number. I hope you are clear with this. Now you have to note down one point I am telling over here. What is that? The number 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. You have to remember this. Okay? So the prime number starts from 2. So 2 is the prime number. This is the starting point. This is the starting point for starting point for prime number. Prime number. So the prime number begins, starting point for prime number is 2. After 2 you will get 3, 5, 7. In this way you will get the prime number. Okay? And the numbers which are composite number we have seen over there in the definition. So from there you can find out any number, you take it and you can find whether it is composite or prime. For suppose randomly I am taking one number 16. So this is one number and I would like to find whether this 16 is a prime number or composite number. So let's do it. First of all we will begin with prime number. So how can we test whether this number is a prime or not? The statement it says number having any number, this is any number, having only 2 factors. So let's see what are the factors for this 16. So the factors for this 16 will be 1. How you will decide? 1 to 16 you have to see the table. Okay. In the table of 1, this 16 will occur. 1 16 is 16. So 1 is the factor of 16. In the table of 2, this 16 will occur. In the table of 3, this 16 will not occur. In the table of 4, 16 will occur. In the table of 5, this 16 will not occur. In the table of 6, no. In the table of 7, no. In the table of 8, yes, this 16 will occur. In the table of 9, no. In the table of 10, no. In the table of 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. 14, no. 15, no. 16, yes. So these are the factors for 16. So according to the statement, we come to know for the prime number is that it must have only two factors. What are those two factors? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. But here we got other than that. What is that? 2, 4 and 8. That's why this 16 is not prime. Not prime. So if it is not a prime number, then what is it? It is a composite number. It is composite number. Why it is composite number? Because we got the factors more than 2. Here we got factors as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is obviously more than 2. Here we got 5 factors. That is more than 2. That's why it is considered as a composite number. This 16 is not a prime number. I hope you are clear with these many examples. If you find any difficulty, you can comment down below in the comment section. I will answer all your doubts and queries. Thank you and have a nice day.